is an AIPMT question on Doppler effect from waves. The question says, a vessel revolves in a circle with angular velocity using a string of length 50 centimeters. Actual frequency from the vessel is 385. Minimum frequency heard by the observer away from the center is, right? So let us try to visualize and understand what he has given for you. There is a rope or a string. Length of that string is 50 centimeters, that is half the meter, to which a vessel is attached and is revolving in a circular motion with an angular velocity like this. It's an angular with an angular velocity omega equal to 20 radian per second, with the radius of the circle half the meter. Thus it has a linear velocity with which it is moving at any point, which can be calculated using a formula V equal to R omega. R equal to half meter, omega is 20. So velocity of the source who is making a sound is 10 meter per second. And that's also having a certain frequency, 385 Hz. Now, this is moving in a circular motion. Where is an observer? Observer is quite far from the center and in the state of rest. What is the minimum frequency heard by the observer? So if it is moving like this, at this point velocity of the source will be like this. At this point velocity of the source will be like this. So if it is moving in anti-clockwise direction, when it is at the bottom it will be approaching at the best, and when it is at the top it is going far away from the observer, right? So when vessel is revolving in anti-clockwise, when it is at the top of the circle, I can write n dash is general formula V plus R minus VO by V plus R minus Vs into n. As observer is in the state of rest, VO becomes 0. As it is moving away, apparent frequency will be the least. To say it is least in the denominator, it has to be more than the numerator, V plus Vs into n. V is given for you in the problem as 340 here by 340 plus velocity of the source is 10. Frequency is given for you in the problem as 385. So 340 by 350 of 385. So it has to be obviously less than 385. Therefore 385 and 394 are definitely wrong answers. And it is 34 by 35, not, it's close to 0.9, so it cannot be even 333. So it has to be 374 H. So when you calculate, you will get that value answer as 374 H. So the apparent frequency heard is 374 H. So this is all basing on the concept of Doppler effect, right? Expression of Doppler effect. This is how we have to come to the answer. Thank you for watching.